Hey YouTube, Spider G back here. Got another one I need to clean out. This is the Spiro in thumb stud and S35VN. This one was a little different. I don't like to take a lot of steel off my ashers. So all I did with this one was follow the exact factory grind. Uh, Maybe, yeah, it looks like I pretty much got it right on the factory grind, but I got past that first layer, which exposes a lot of teeth and that S35 yen, and it came out good. I mean, it came out as good as as if you were to strop a uh, factory edge, but just has a little more bite than what it came with. And plus, I didn't want to make like a bunch of, smile marks or dings or anywhere, since I'm still, trying to get better edges, and I'm real careful with my titanium ashers and of course, the newer ones as well. But this one came out pretty good. I mean, as far as making sure I didn't ruin the edge or anything like that. It only enhanced, but for all intents and purposes, it's still factory. But with just a little enhancement. I just followed the angle real slow. This one took me like an hour, even though it was only S35 yen. But I was real careful on my strokes because I use both hands and right hand dominant. I've been noticing that I need to equal the flat side, or equal my dominant side, which leaves this sometimes it's little convexed, which just means I'm kind of moving out of my angle. So what I've been doing is trying to stick with the most coarse and go right off of that. And this one was a good example of a follow the existing angle and just make sure there's no more burr left on that tip. And that's what we have here. So, that was a pretty fun one. You on the fixed angle you get a little more confidence, but when you go to freehand, and these are knives you pick up after trying to locate them, find them, hunt them down, you tend to baby them a little bit more. And this isn't like some wild exotic knife, but it speaks to me, and it's my collector's option, right? That I like. That Devo and Tempest are the ones that I like to pick up. And then, of course, all the other ones that I have the budget, from Benchmates to, everything. But this knife, it comes down so thin, I didn't want to lay it back or try to create a smile or anything like that, or risk that, because this is an older model, and sometimes the older models are gems. I mean, just like these new ones, they will be gems. And I've got some gems from early drops. So not secondaries or factory seconds, just, be in there on time. And that's how you have to be. If you want something, you have to be in the know and be ready. But we'll go ahead and take this one apart and see if you can't. What was that? me see. Let's see something. This is a T. I don't know what happened to my T9. But is this Asher a T9? So it's not a T10. But I have all T8s in here now. I don't know what happened to my T9. It's somewhere. But it's like weird. I think it is a T9, but I don't really crank things to pivot down too much, but hardware is T8. That's for sure. Oh yeah. This one has the reversible clip. This should come popping right off. I'm gonna leave that just like it is. Of course, this baby's on skiffs. Let's go ahead and get right to cleaning. Skiffs. Boom, boom, boom. Good to go. Boom, boom, boom. Good to go. Let's clean all the steel off. Any grime. Let's put that blade out of the play. And we will go ahead and clean this area. And that's pretty much done. Then we'll go ahead and lube up these bearings. There you go there. Let's put this blade on. After you do this a million times, it becomes so simple. Especially on ones that like you take apart a lot. You really get to get it down and know if there's anything missing or whatnot. Usually, Asher knives are usually pretty simple. Lost the lanyard pin on this one a long time ago, but not that I really use lanyards. Nothing against them, but I'm not really crying that I lost it, but you know what, I think it is. I have it somewhere. I have this really big magnet that a lot of things I have collect onto that magnet, so it's probably on there somewhere. So that had a track. Was that the track? Or is that the track? I don't want to mess up the track. Okay. So that looks good. Alright. So let's put some heavy on. Heavy on the detent hole and on the ball. Go ahead and put that away. A little bit of juice right there for that guy. Let's go ahead and pop this washer right on top there. I didn't try to keep it in where on the scale. Okay. Alright. So let me take this. Everything in. Let me just put this in real quick. Am I tripping? Okay. There we go. Everything's set. Let's go ahead and lock this pocket clip down. Alright, so now the pivot and the pocket holding it together. Let's go ahead and put this in. Looks good, just snug. Yeah, it's way loose, but that's what this is for right now. No wonder came unseated. My that feels awfully wobbly. So just gotta go in and fix it real quick. Just spin it. Spin it real quick. There we go. Maybe one more spin. Okay, it looks like it's in there. Go ahead and try to complete this one up. Alright, let's check it out. Alright, that's more like it. Sure, your symbol is correct. No side to side, no up and down. Perfectly centered. Beautifully smooth. Let's go ahead and clean the lock piece off. And let's go ahead and spray down. Go ahead and clean that up good. Wipe off everything. Make sure it's nice and clean. Well taken care of. Nice and sharp and ready to go. Alright. All put back together. Part of the collection. Alright. So, let's go ahead and work this back in. Get them skiffs. Feels like I put that washer right back. It's a lot smoother. That's there, that's perfect right there. My hands are on the lock bar a little bit there, but hold it like that. It's a one shake shut. I could loosen it to be a full-blown dropper, like if I wanted to smidgen it up and still have no blade play. It would go straight down. No up and down, no left or right. And maybe I'll keep it right there. As it breaks through that heavy. Yeah, it's not bad. Side nuts, you can see right there. Very good. S35VN. If I was to list this one, it would be above $100. I'll think about it. But yeah, that was the Asher Spiro frame lock with the lefty clip, that rollover deep carry. Fuller with stud, S35 VM with pivot collar, and flat scales with chamfered size with the geared titanium back spacer, sharpened, all clean and ready to go. And that'll do it for this particular Asher knife. If you found this one interesting, please give me a like, sub, comment, and y'all be safe, have fun. I'm out of here. Peace out.